one of the best ways to make a passive income online is still selling Kindle books. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer. In this video, I want to talk about one of the best ways that I found to make a passive income online, and that is writing and selling Kindle books. Now, if you're not familiar with Amazon and the whole publishing your own books and everything, it's a course that I got a few years ago called Kmoney Mastery, and it teaches you everything you need to know about making money with Kindle books, right? But I'm doing this video because I was checking my actual Amazon account, and if you look over here, right, you see I made a few sales the other day, right? And you might be thinking, that wasn't a lot. That wasn't hundreds of sales, and that was like 5 sales on that screenshot. But here's the cool part. I haven't actually promoted any of my Kindle books in over a year. I haven't done anything. Like, no, not talked about it, not really said anything about my books on there. And I'm still getting little sales. So you know what that tells me? I'm about to step up my Kindle book game. Alright? Because it's funny because I ain't gonna lie, keep it real on my channel. Sometimes when you get involved with Kindle, a lot of people get nervous because they don't want to write a book. Some people get nervous because they're afraid they won't make any money. And I never had the fear of not, being able to create content. I've been writing content ebooks for years, but my whole thing was, what if you put all this effort in and don't make any money? That's like a lot of people's biggest fear. But one thing I noticed, I got 7 books for sale on Kindle. And keeping it real, only 3 of them sell on a regular basis, right? That's just part of the game. But those 3 makes me money, okay? So here's the thing. The fact that I seen that, and I'm like, man, I'm still making money. What if I would have kept putting out more books? Or what if I still was promoting these Kindle books? Imagine the money that would be coming in, that could be coming in, right? So I'm gonna make a serious effort to start publishing more books and getting more sales, because when you put these books out there on Amazon, and I'm sure you're watching this, about Amazon is just huge. People always are buying stuff on Amazon, whether it be products or Kindle books, right? So these books can make you a passive income for years and years and years to come. So I'm definitely gonna start putting out books, but it do take a little bit of focus, a little bit of research and everything to get that going. But guys, this is passive income. This is the stuff that when you're on vacation or when you're sleeping, when if you had another job, you can be making sales, just like I showed you, a couple sales here, a couple sales there. And like I said, keep in mind, I haven't promoted any of my books, which I probably should have, in over a year. And I'm still getting sales. And I just showed you a little bit. It was like 5-6 sales that I made in the last week. And that's just money that goes into my account. So believe me when I tell you, you can do the same thing if you're interested in the whole passive income thing. Check out Kmoney Mastery. Link in the description, guys. This is the course that I bought. I still use to this day, and I'm about to really ramp it up, go back and go over some other stuff, because it teaches you how to do this step by step. And just in case you're watching this video and you're like, man, I can't write. I'm not an author. Kmoney Mastery, it teaches you how to get around that and how to get around it really, really quickly and easily. All right, but if you don't mind writing content, like I said, I wrote all of my books, and they don't have to be long books at all, right? It takes me 2 to 3 days to write a book, sometimes a week, depending on the book, whatever, okay? But it's definitely possible. So if you want to learn how to do it, I highly recommend checking out Kmoney Mastery, and it can really get you going. You've seen it with your own eyes. Passive income, it's real. So guys, if you got any questions, leave them below. I'll try to answer them for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so you get all this content that I be shooting out every day. Well, not every day, almost every day. Alright, but like I said, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.